Summer is typically when we hear of fish kills in nature as a result of eutrophic and organic pollution that causes hypoxia, a circumstance wherein dissolved oxygen levels are below 2.8 milligrams per liter, which is sufficient to sustain shellfish and worms but not fish. For preserving the health of your koi, regularly test their water quality parameters using a test kit such as the API 5-in-1 pond test strips that measures pH, nitrites, nitrates, and hardness. There are other kits that many prefer, but the point is to become familiar with and stay attentive to your pond water quality conditions. Purchase a submersible thermometer and add an aeration system if you don't have a waterfall or spitters that assist nature in putting O2 back into the pond. Plus, do periodic water changes during the heat of summer to reduce water temperature if the pond doesn't have shade cloth or a covered pergola. The optimum water temperature for koi is between approximately 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, where dissolved oxygen is between 7 and 9 milligrams per liter. The cooler the water temperature, the greater the dissolved oxygen. When water temperatures are above 80 degrees, various organics decay faster, increasing their toxicity, while under these same conditions, bacteria and parasitic pathogens are increasingly virulent. Above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, biological filter bacteria has a reduced capability of detoxifying ammonia expelled from fish that can then become toxic and contribute to destabilizing water conditions and harm your fish. There are also impacts that can be expected from overstocking with fish and aquatic plants, and inadequate filtration and poor pond design. For best results and advice, contact a certified aquascape contractor in your area to address your specific needs. In Northeast Florida, that's Earthworks of Jacksonville.